Hello, and today we're going to talk about soil structure. In an earlier video, I described what soil texture is, and it's important to learn about soil texture. So before proceeding on and listening to this video, go back and listen to my video on soil texture. Soil structure is the arrangement of soil particles. This includes sand, silt, clay, organic matter, colloids, and other forms of minerals. This one soil physical property affects numerous other characteristics of soils. For example, water infiltration, aeration, porosity, and heat transfer. There are several types of soil structure, such as you're witnessing now. You have blocky, angular, single grained. There are several soil structures. For example, you have granular, blocky, single grained, prismatic, columnar. I may be pronouncing that wrong, but that's how I pronounce it. Also, these soil structures form through different means. For example, blocky. Blocky is formed through compaction. Uh, you can imagine cows grazing on land, and as they step, they're pressing their tremendous weight down on the soil, compacting that soil. I'll explain that process a little further when I discuss bulk density and particle density. But just imagine those soil particles, sand, silt, clay, and organic matter are pressing down on each other. And think of everything. Mostly, some stuff have charges, so they might bond together, and just everything is just compacting. You might even cement the soil surface. That's pretty much how you get a blocky, and you can imagine how water would. It'll be hard for water to infiltrate the soil or air to diffuse in and out the soil. And the next example I can give you is granular. Uh, Granular is normally formed around like plant roots where there's like a lot of exudates or microbial activity. Um, Exudates are plant secretions like sugars, and microbes secrete also different types of chemicals, and they form aggregates in the soil, improving soil structure. These aggregates help soil to become granular. The particles are sticking together, and there's a little bit of organic matter there, so it bonds them tightly, and that holds a lot more water, diffuses oxygen better, heat, and porosity is much better, so there's more pores for microbes to have water to live, air to flow, and so on and so forth.